Hello everyone! In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to set up your Instagram ads. So as we all know, Instagram is now under Meta. So there's a lot of things that you can settings through your Facebook as well as your Instagram because they're sort of like basically in the same group. So before you'll be able to create your Instagram ads, there is this two things that you will have to do. The first one is to make sure that your Instagram is a business account Instagram. To do that, all you have to do is just log in into your Instagram, and then you're going to want to check whether your Instagram is a personal account or a business account. And you can do that by clicking on the gear symbol, which is the settings, and then mine already said professional account because it's already a business account. And if your is still a personal account, you're going to want to change it first before you continue and watch this video. If you're already done with that, you can continue and watch this. Next, what you're going to do is you're going to want to create a business account on your Facebook. So both your Facebook and your Instagram will have to be on business account, or else you will not be able to create an ads. Make sure you have that too, and once you got your business account on your Facebook, we can go to the next step. Alright, next, once you've got your Facebook account, once you got your business Facebook account, you're going to want to connect it with your Instagram. One of the indicators of whether your Facebook is already connected to your Instagram account or not is you will be able to see your Instagram profile picture on your Facebook page. So right here, I'm on my business page, and I also already owned a business account on Facebook, and I've already connected my Instagram to my Facebook. If you haven't do that yet, what you can do is right here, if you just start creating a business account on Facebook, right here, and these sections right here, you're going to be able to find a connect and Instagram profile options. You can go ahead and click on that, and then you're going to see this notification that says that after connecting your Facebook page to Instagram, people who manage the page or Instagram account will be able to manage tasks for both profiles, depending on people's assigned access. These tasks might include contents and ads, which is the one that we're going to work with today, insights, messages and comment, settings, and permissions. And then you can also review on people's assigned access by going to people in settings. And once you're okay with all of that, you can go ahead and click on connect. And then you can also choose whether you want to allow access to Instagram messages in inbox or not. If you don't want to, you can just click on this toggle and your inbox will not be included into your Facebook. I'm okay with my inbox being in it, so I'm just going to go ahead and turn it on and then click on continue. And then that's it. Your Instagram is already connected. Once we've done that, what we're going to do is you're going to want to click on settings right here. So I already have an ad account right here, and it actually depends on your profile, but my profile only have the maximum of one ad account. And I cannot create more since I already have this ones right here. But if you haven't created your ad account, you can always click on add account right here on the top right of your screen, and then you can choose whether you want to create a new ad account, claim an existing ad account, or request to share an ad account with an existing business account. Like, let's say if you have a partnership or you have multiple businesses in one group, you can share that ad account across the brand on your group. And then you can also add portfolio, add business portfolio, whether it's Facebook page, Instagram account, or WhatsApp account. Now, this is another way that you can do if you want to add Instagram account to your Facebook. All you have to do is on this account settings right here, you're going to go to Instagram account, and you can add your Instagram account through this sections if you didn't see any connect to Instagram options on your dashboard earlier. Next, what you're going to do is you're going to scroll all the way down until you found this ad account settings right here. Go ahead and click on it. And right here, I'm going to start and create a new ads. So to do that, go to your campaign, and then you're going to want to click on create. And over here, they're going to ask about a few details that they're going to need before we can publish the ad. First things that you will have to choose is the buying type, whether you want it to be auctions or reservations. So the difference is going to be, usually auction is going to have a conversion in the form of sales, in the form of checkout, or people buying your stuff. Meanwhile, reservation is when you're trying to sell an event or some services in where you're going to need awareness as well as engagement from your audience. For today, I'm just going to go ahead and choose auctions for my buying type. And then you can choose on the campaign objective. I'm going to go through one by one so that you will know the difference. For awareness, it says here that the ads are going to be shown to people who are most likely to remember those ads. And it's really good if you try to find more reach, if you want to increase your brand awareness, if you want to increase video views or store location awareness. For traffic, the ads are going to be sent to a destination such as website, app, Instagram profile, or Facebook event. And it's good for link clicks, landing page views, messengers, Instagrams, and WhatsApp, calls, or Instagram profile visits. Now we go engagement. So for engagement, the goals of your ads is going to be to get more messages, purchases through messaging, video views, post engagement, page likes, or event responses. So the first thing that's good for is Messenger's Instagram and WhatsApp, and then video views, post engagement, conversions, and calls. For leads, it's going to collect leads for your business or brand. It's good for instant forms, messengers and Instagram, conversions, and calls. App promotion is going to be good. If you're going to create an ad and then you want to introduce it to more people, you can use this as your campaign's goal. And then as for sales, it's going to be good for conversions, catalog sales, messengers, Instagrams, and WhatsApps, and calls. So you're going to want to choose on which goal is going to be for your campaign, because we're going to create one for Instagram right now. I'm going to choose the engagement one. Then I'm going to click on continue. And you can choose whether you want to use the recommended settings, which already have presets, campaign optimizations. And those presets include Advantage plus audience and Advantage plus placements and more. I prefer the manual setup one, so I'm just going to go ahead and go with this. But if you'd like to use the preset one, you can feel free to do that. All right, now you can start by naming your campaigns. Let's say I want to name this as Instagram ads 1, and then you can add special ads categories if you are, and then you can add some special ads categories if your ads are related to credit, employment, housing, social issues, elections, or politics. Since mine will not be any of it, I'm just going to go ahead and skip on that. And then again, campaign details will be, the buying type is going to be auctions, and the campaign objective is going to be management. Just going to go ahead and click on next. And then you can choose on the conversion locations that you will want. Let's say the conversion will be on messaging apps or on your ad, or it's going to be in the form of calls, or maybe you want people to engage with your app or Facebook page, etc. I'm just going to go ahead and use this one, messaging app, which is, it's going to get people to engage with your brand on Messenger's, WhatsApp, or Instagram. Instagram is the one that we're aiming for. And then as for the ad type, I'm just going to leave it as it is. And here, so this is the most important part. On the messaging app, because I choose messaging apps as my conversions, instead of choosing everything, I'm just going to go ahead and use the Instagram, because that is my main point. I don't want the ads to work on my Facebook. I want it to work solely on my Instagram. So again, if you want to focus on your Instagram, you can go ahead and uncheck the messengers, which is, it's going to relate it to Facebook, and just use the Instagrams instead. All right, and next you can also choose on your ad setup whether you want it to be just a single image or videos, or if you have more than just one image or videos for your ads, you can always click on a carousel. Just going to go with the single image or videos one, and then you can add your media over here. Add your primary text as well as the call to actions. Let's say that I want my call to actions to be send Instagram message because that is my leads, because that is my goal for this ads. And then you can also create a message template. And once you're done with all of the necessary details, you can go ahead and publish your ads. And there you go. You finish creating your Instagram ads. And that's basically it. That is how you can set up your Instagram ads. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.